Hi, my name is Ethan. I'm a learner at Newport Youth Academy and I started fairly recently. I'd say I'd started about 3 months ago after a period of not really being too sure of what I wanted to do with myself. I had recently had to leave a job due to sustaining a back injury. A job that I, in all honesty, wasn't too interested in. It was a stopgap between leaving education, sixth form specifically, and finding a job that I really wanted to do and finding a possible career. But during this period of unemployment and not really knowing what I wanted to do with myself, my younger brother Elijah had come home and told me about this youth academy held within the community centre near to us, and that it was fun, interesting, there was opportunities for qualifications, finding new careers, and meeting lots of new people. And so after finding out about this, I decided to find out a bit more myself. So I came into the community centre one day and spoke to a man named Gary, who was great help throughout the entire process and still is to this day an amazing help to have. He talked me through the process of actually getting into the Youth Academy, what qualifications I may be looking at, funding for possible courses outside of the actual Youth Academy itself, such as the £1,700 not grant, but funding that the council is currently looking at for an IT-based course that will help me get the career that I actually want to do in the future. And it's all thanks to the Academy that I'm able to do this in the first place. So on a day-to-day basis, some of the things we usually do are, gaining new qualifications I've recently gained qualifications in manual handling and a level 2 in health and safety. Others have qualifications in food hygiene and then also customer service, gained purely just through the Youth Academy itself. And there's opportunities for cooking, as we've done today, new experiences. Every now and again we get to go on fun little trips or just go visiting new places, loads of new people to meet every day. There's pool tables and there's VR equipment, there are computers, laptops that everyone gets to use. And the staff here are incredibly helpful, useful, kind and caring. They're able to talk us through anything, help us with anything we may need. They are the ones who then go forward with anything that we want to do with our career or any specific qualifications we may want or need for the career of our choice. Like I said earlier, me personally, I've chosen to do an IT-based course, which thanks to the community centre will hopefully be funded, but in the meantime they're providing a level 1 IT course for me and most of the other people within the course itself. And even if it's not what they want to do, being IT they're able to get this experience and go on from there to see if it is something that may be interesting to them. If not, they can always leave it, go to another qualification, because the course offers so many different opportunities to everybody. I would recommend anybody in my position to maybe come and try out, to have a look around, see if it is something that they would be interested in doing, even if it is just a stopgap between education, career, or job and career, or maybe even just job to another job. Regardless of what it is you want to do, I would recommend giving it a try. It is an experience worth having. It is an amazing way to bridge the gap between whatever it is you want to do and what you're doing now. Overall, I just hope that coming here was the right decision, and from what I've experienced so far, from what I've heard, from what I've seen, it has been the right decision for me, and it could be the right decision for you and anyone you know.